What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I gotta thank you guys so much. We just hit 10,000 subs. I'm shocked, I'm blown away. Never thought we would get there. But anyway, guys, this video is gonna be a shadow fade with square sideburns, just kind of textured and styled up on top. Kind of a basic haircut. I think you guys will dig it. Let's get right into it. All right, we're gonna kick this thing off with a number 2 guard. This is the Andis purple guard on my Wahl Senior with the Philthy mod. So this is the Andis cutting blade. We're just gonna go in with a number 2 and go ahead and blend into the top. And then we're gonna come in, this is gonna be a shadow fade, guys. So we're gonna do our first guideline with an open clipper, and then we'll treat it just like every other haircut. There's just not gonna be a bald section. So we're gonna go in and make a nice neat guideline with an open section. You can just pretend that your bald section is down below. You're just gonna make the same type of guideline you would make, and then we'll work our way up from there. Alright, so you guys just saw his mask fall off. It is not a rule in Kentucky that the clients have to wear a mask. He was just going to wear it. Once it fell off, he just kept it off. But as a barber, we all wear our masks, and that's really what the rule is here. I'm just going to touch on that. I'll get some comments about that. So we're going to go ahead with the open one. Like I said, the bottom section was a open clipper. Now we came in with the open one, set another guideline. Now we're coming in with the clipper closed, just like we would on any other haircut. We're working our way up into that section. Then the last line that's left underneath that you can still see, our half guard will take that out. And for those of you wondering, these are my new cordless seniors. The beast mode clipper that I put in the transparent housing, that plastic housing just really made it loud, really made it rattle a lot. So I put all the guts into a new senior body, and it sounds a heck of a lot better. So now we're going in with our half guard. We're going to start to work that line out, and you guys see it starts to clean up. He does have some indentions right behind his ear that we're going to have to tackle. We're going to have to work our way through and make sure that we get all the dark spots. But you can see this is bringing this together, and then all we'll have left between the 1 and the 2, the 1.5 guard will take that last line out. And we're going to come in with it right now. You can see there's a little bit left between that, so we're going to come in with our open one again and just make sure that we don't have any dark spots left. Of course, we're going to go ahead and clean it up, working our way down, so we'll do the one open. Now I'll close it up and go after these dark spots. You can see right behind his ear, right in that little dimple that he has, is still a little bit dark, so we're going to work with it closed, maybe come back with the half guard and touch that up until we're happy with this whole side. Alright, so these are the Gamma Absolute hitters. If you guys watched my last video on the Ergo, you saw the hitters were in there. Guys, these are new and improved. I'll be honest, when I got them, some of the guys were like, are you going to keep them? Are you going to sell them? Can I get them? And now I will not get rid of them. I absolutely love them. They hit super hard. They do clear bulk better than the last ones, but I will say they still struggle a little bit, but it's absolutely an improvement from the last hitters. So if you guys are looking for an affordable, nice trimmer that's going to do very sharp lines, definitely need to check these out. And these are straight out of the box. I did not adjust these at all, and you guys can see the line it's putting on. And this is a shadow fade, so not very long hair, and it is putting a line on there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the other side. We'll do the same steps as before. Start off with a number 2, then we're gonna work our way down. I think I do a little bit different on the side. I am gonna use my purple guards the whole time, or most of the time. And once I set my guideline, I'm gonna go ahead and fade down on this side. So you guys watch how I fade down. We're gonna start with the 2 and work our way down. We're gonna set our guideline so that we know the shape that we're trying to create, and then we'll work our way down there. And if you guys haven't been paying attention, I have been asked to join Chris Bosio, Get Beam, S-Craft Blends, and Dre Cut It Out to teach on the 245 Academy. If any of you guys signed up, leave me a comment down below, let me know, especially if you watched Get Beam's live stream last night. If you guys missed it, you really missed out. But guys, I am next up August 10th, my first class on there. If you haven't heard me talk about it before, it's gonna be a live stream tutorial. So I will actually go live on Zoom through the Academy, and you guys can get on there live and ask questions. I can pause the video. It will be a 30 to 40 minute video, not sped up like these tutorials. So if you guys will get on there, you can ask questions live. We can pause it, we can draw on the screen. It's gonna be much more in depth. And not only do you get my knowledge, you're also gonna get S-Craft Blends, Dre Cut It Out, Get Beamed, and Bosio. So you're getting 5 educators for the price of 1. It's gonna be 20 bucks a month, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Go check it out. I would definitely appreciate it if you guys would sign up. And I know some of you have, because my numbers are doing pretty well on the referrals, so I really appreciate it. But anyways, guys, you can see we've worked our way down. We did a 1.5, then a 1. Now we're gonna do a 0 and work our way back down towards that line, and then we'll come back in with an open clipper if we need to and take the rest of that line out. Now I'm not going to show the back of his head. We're going to do the same steps, and at the very bottom of his neck where we'll do the taper, we're just going to go, we know it's an open clipper, so we're just going to close our clipper at the bottom, do a little flick out with a half open, and that's going to taper his neck out. We'll go ahead and edge this side up, and then we'll move on to the shear work. You can see those things hitting. Look at that ash line. You can see the line on there. It's pretty nice. Definitely recommend these trimmers for sure. Oh, and I forgot, guys, please leave me a comment if you notice. This is a new 50mm lens for my Canon M50. You guys can see the background is blurred. Super quality on these videos. Let me know what you think. We're gonna go in now. We're gonna shear cut the top. He just wants to take some texture. Not much length off. We're just gonna texturize it and give him a little bit of a shortened, textured style so he can style it up. If you guys noticed at the beginning, he had it combed over to the side because it had gotten so long that it just kind of wants to lay to the side. So we're not trying to take a bunch of length off here. We're just trying to take a little bit off, add some texture, and give him something he can style. I'm gonna blow dry it, get it a little bit dry. When I like to add clay, I don't want the hair very wet because you'll kind of lose the hold. So we blow dry it a little bit. Now I'm gonna add some clay. Guys, this clay is from Fresh Barber Co. It is their matte clay. It's actually one of my favorite clays I've found since 245 Indestructible clay is out at the moment. So you guys can see, it's gonna give you a nice texture, a nice hold, and you guys can check out the finished product here. Alright guys, there's the before. You can see grown out, couldn't really style it, just letting it lay to the side. Definitely needed cleaned up. And there's the end result. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I got more content coming, 3 videos a week, lots of heat coming. And definitely check out the Academy, guys. I'm killing it right now, lots of referrals, and you guys are making me look good. So definitely go check it out. I'll catch you guys next time.